It's 2026, and we are drowning in noise. You ask an LLM for a summary, and it gives you a 3-page essay that reads like it was written by a robot trying to sound human. Hacker News is exploding with debates about this AI productivity trap. We are spending more time editing AI output than writing it ourselves. But what if you could strip that fluff in seconds? Today, I'm showing you how to stop pasting walls of text and start getting usable data. This isn't just a tip, it's a workflow change that saves hours every week. Now, let's build the filter. We're going to write a simple Python script that takes a messy AI output and forces it into bullet points. Create a file named clean.py. We'll use the Ultima Python library. The key is the system prompt, output only JSON. No intro. No outro. This command processes everything in 3 seconds. Instead of reading paragraphs, you get structured data. Run pip install Ultima to get the library. This script acts as a middleware between the verbose AI and your actual work. It's like having a ruthless editor who never sleeps. So, here is your challenge. Stop pasting raw AI text into your docs. Install Ultima, write that simple filter script, and watch your productivity skyrocket. It's free, it's local, and it's insanely effective. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 AI workflows. Next week, we're diving into automated voice cloning with HTTS and FFmpeg. Don't sleep on these tools. Drop a comment if you're tired of AI fluff. See you in the next one.